Hello friends, welcome back to Feasty Fusion. Today we will see how to cook a healthy and nutritious breakfast. This will serve as a perfect solution to those who run out of ideas what to make for breakfast and people who are bored of the routine breakfast menu. I'm going to call it as Oats Upma or Veggie Oats. Upma is a breakfast originated from India, so it's nothing but an Indian version of porridge made of semolina, added vegetables and nuts. Here I'm just replacing the semolina with oats, and that's why I'm calling it as Oats Upma. It's a very quick and easy method, so it will hardly take 15 to 20 minutes for your dish to get ready. Let's not wait and just get started. Let's add some clarified butter. And once the ghee is warm, we're going to add the nuts. So we have cashew and almonds. Let it get brown. Once the nuts are brown, get your chopped vegetables. So I've got some carrots, green peas, corn, onion and green chili. Pop everything into it. So stir well and let the vegetables cook. I'm adding some salt. Adding warm water. So I'm adding 1.5 cup of warm water. Let the vegetables cook. Depends on each individual how they want the vegetables cooked. Some of them prefer half cooked, some of them prefer well cooked. So I'll leave it till the water boils. So once the water comes to boil, I'm going to add the oats. So I have a cup of oats that I'm going to add into the vegetables in the water. Stir well. Ensure the oats and vegetables are all mixed well. Now that I've mixed all the oats and vegetables, I'm going to shut the vessel with the lid and cook it on steam for 5 minutes. So it's 5 minutes past. I'm trying to check. So it seems to be ready now. All the water content is evaporated and it's become dry. Yeah, it's smelling awesome. That's pretty much, friends. It's ready to be served now. Have a lovely breakfast with your dear ones and hope you guys enjoy. Let me know if you like it and do subscribe for more yummy and delicious recipes. Thank you for watching and see you soon.